In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to live stream with less than 50 subscribers with just your phone. No computer, no capture card. In case you want to do gaming, that is why I mentioned capture card. I just said with just your phone. You can stream to multiple platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or name it. This app allows you to stream to multiple platforms. And guess what? It is free to use. But take note, if only your internet permits you to multi-stream, why not give it a try? In case you are looking for 4,000 watch hour, it is an opportunity for you to start generating it right away. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. As you can see that I have my phone with me. If you are using Android, you go to your Google Play Store, and if you are using Apple, you go to your Apple Store. As you can see, this is my Apple Store. You can see it here. This is my Apple Store. So I tap on it, and then when you tap on it, what you are going to search, you are going to search for Prism Live Studio. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. This is the application. So what you are going to do is you are going to tap on it to download it. Okay, so it's downloading. We wait for it to download. So once it's download, you click on open. Once you open it, it will take you to the app. This is the app. So they have different options to sign in with. So what are you going to sign in with? Sign in like me. I will sign in with my Google account. So I tap on my Google account. You ask me, wants to use your google.com to sign in? Yes. You click on continue. So when you click on continue, you will select which account you want to connect with. So you connect with on any account that you choose to connect with. Then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you come to this continue here, and you type on continue. Then it will ask you, I would like to access your camera, which I will say yes. I'll click on this allow to allow it. Then next, it wants to use your microphone. So what next? You allow it to use your microphone. The third option is would like to add to your photo in case you want to take photo. I will still allowed. Then the last option is you want to be sending me notification. Like me, I don't want notification, so I will say no, don't allow, which it will open the app. And this is the app that we are talking about. Try using the screencast preset. So you click on OK. Okay, you said turn the microphone on and off in the. You can either live stream in portrait, or you can either live stream in landscape. So it is you that you decide which one you want to live stream on. So me, I am going to choose portrait, okay, for the purpose of this tutorial. So it will be in portrait. So we'll come to just click on ready, because that's what we want to do. It has three options here. You can see it has screen, it has camera. You can go to the camera and see I am here. You can see me in the camera. If you are doing VTuber, I've never done VTuber before, so I don't really know what is VTuber. So you have options to do that also. So before we go, let me also show you other options below that they have. So you can come out again and come to disconnect. Means that they want to connect to your computer. So that is what disconnect is all about. So you need to scan the code. After, I will still come and do a tutorial on how to use Prism Live of your computer. So that one is not for this. So we were just talking about that. So the next option is live. And this is where to live stream to either YouTube or Facebook or Twitch or many platforms like that you want to live stream to. Another thing that you can do is also you can record here. When you come to video here, you can record. If you want to record here, it gives an option to record as well. And you have a lot of things here as well. If you want to bring in a media while you are recording, you can have a playlist, you can have text, and you can have a web also. So we are not going to do that today. So another thing that you can still do is you can take a photo as well. And once you take a photo, it's going to save on your computer. Okay, and that is another thing. And another thing you can still do when you want to take a photo is you can beautify it. You can choose, you can see, you can beautify it the way you want. Any one you choose, You can choose natural as like this, selfie. You can choose sharp. You see that will determine whatever you can. There is a color there also to beautify it. They have different type of things here, so you can scroll around it to exploit the feature of this. They have a lot of things to work with there. So what we are going to do, we are coming back because today is all about how to live stream with less than 50 subscribers. You know, I will go out here and I will show you something that you cannot live stream if you are going to use your normal phone application on YouTube if you have less than 50 subscribers. Let me show you. So I'll go to my YouTube. As you can see, my account here. So as you can see, this is GrowWithGanny. This is my account. I'm in my YouTube account, and you can see how many subscribers that I have. I only have 41 subscribers, and I want to show you that I can live stream with this 41 subscribers. That is why we needed to use that application to live stream. So let's go back to the application and continue. So back in the application now, so we are going to use portrait. So you click on ready. So when you are ready, you can see it has different apps that you can use: Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Kik, Trovo, Instagram, all this type of. You can even bring a customized RTMP. It's your choice, okay? So but today we are going to first focus on YouTube alone. We are not going to Facebook. By the time we are going to start doing Facebook on, I will let you know. So come to YouTube. So when you are in your YouTube, you have to customize your YouTube account, okay? So what you are going to do is you click on YouTube, connect YouTube. So if we say Prism Live wants to use google.com to sign into your YouTube account, so you click on continue. So you go and choose your YouTube account, which YouTube account you want to use, which is my YouTube account that are connected to my GrowWithGanny, which is this. I'm going to choose it. Then you choose it. Then you click on continue also here to allow them, so they will connect directly. So you can see directly more GrowWithGanny. So now what we were focusing on is we want to do a live stream, as I said, with less than 50 subscribers. So what you're going to click on, you come to this ready here, you tap on ready. Okay, when you tap on ready, you tap on it so that to set your stream up. All you need to do is you have to just tap on it to set it up. Okay, you can see I bring it up. You can write test streaming, anything you want. You can write test streaming. Okay, that's what I want. I put it. Okay, then you can schedule it if you want. If you don't want, you can go live directly. Okay, it is your option. Then the privacy to go live now. Okay, so what do I want to do? Okay, so resolution, you can add your resolution. You can put it in 180. Okay, anything, any resolution you want. So it's up to you. The bit rate. Okay, you can leave it like this. It's phone, this or this one. You can set everything. It's your choice. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on go live. Okay, you are going live in portrait mode because that is what we choose. And then you can see as it's turning. Okay, you can see. Then I am live, even if despite that nobody is watching because I put it in unlisted. So you can see me live. You can see the live that is reading here. So you can see you can go live. Okay, you can see you can go live. So after you have gone live, let's go live for some minutes, and then 19 seconds, 20 seconds. You can see I can talk whatever I want to say. Everything I will talk about it. Okay, so you can see I've gone live for some seconds now. So it is easy. I am going live. This is live on my YouTube channel. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Let me see, because it's only me. I want to see. So I'm still live, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is, so while we are live, there is a lot of things that you can do while you are live. You can see I am live. I am still live. It's still counting. Okay, so what you can still do while live is, all you need to do is just to swipe your camera like this. You can do a lot of things here. You can tap on this media either to bring in pictures, or you can bring in anything, maybe videos. Just tap on it and come to this media here. You tap on the media. You can see below here you can bring in media. You can bring in music. I'm not going to bring in music, but I'm going to bring in media. Let me see. You can go through to your phone. You can see my picture here. This picture of what I posted on my page today. You can see I already have it. All you need to do is just to tap on it. then you can bring it here. Anything, maybe you want to show a particular comment, maybe somebody's comment on your post, and you want to screenshot that comment and show it in your life. See, it is easy to do, like ABC. So you see, you can bring in videos if you want. Let me go and bring in videos. I can decide to close this, to cancel this, and go back again here and go and bring in video. Okay, let me see the video. One video that I've done, that I have on my phone. This is a video from my Learn Code with Ganny. Okay, you can add it here. There is a way to add it, then tap on it to bring it to your screen. There is opportunity to do that as well, so you can see it here. Then you can play it. It is another day today, Learn Ganny. Another question for you. Me, or tap on it to remove it. So that is all that you have bring. If you want to do a restream, maybe you want to start looping a video, you can also create a video list and start working on it here. So, and also another thing you can still do is, if you want to type, you can also type also as well. Maybe you want to add, you see, you can add a title to your live streaming. I can decide to, like I said, text here. So I can type in something here. You can type in anything you want. Maybe grow with Ganny. If I want it to be scrolling on my phone, so you can see it. So it will be scrolling. You can make it big anyhow you done. So when you click on done, just type on it. So you can see it. You can change it. You can put it here. So this is me. You can show me as well on this. You see, it will start scrolling. Grow with Ganny will start scrolling on my screen like that. You can see the way it is scrolling. You can leave it. Another thing you can still do is you can add a screensaver if you want. Okay, you can see starting soon. You can add it. Maybe you want to add it. They have thanks for watching. Anyone you want, you can scroll down, be right back. They have a lot coming back soon. You can see thank you for watching. You can click on done. That means I've already have it already here. If I want to be having it more and more, then if I still want more, I can still type screensaver. I can click on starting soon if I want. So it's you that you would decide which one you want. All you need to do is just click on done. You already have whatever widget you want to have here. Okay, there is still more. Explore it. They have timer, they have clock. If you want clock, you can click on it. You can choose whatever that you want. You can see clock here. You can 60. Okay, you can have, if you want timer, you can choose how many time you want by yourself. Okay, so it is you that you determine that. Then you have social. If how you want it, do you want to show Facebook, do you want to show YouTube? Okay, you can see. Then you have captions, lower third, how do you want it to be? It's you option. Then they have a lot of stickers here also, so you can bring in any stickers that you want as well. Another thing that you can still do also is you can bring in chat from your live stream. Okay, they have different type of chat. You can click on it, then you scroll down. You can set it the way you want it. Do you want it to be at the bottom? Do you want it to be at the streaming screen only? Anyhow you want it. It's you that you will decide how you want it. So you can scroll down. You can see they have different styles. They have style 2, they have style 3, they have style 4. So it's you that you determine what type of style that you have. You can customize the color. You can do a lot of things. You can text up. If you want it to the opacity of the text, you can decide it. If you want to lock it there, this chat on there, you can lock it. So if you want it to be disappearing, you can. All you need to do is just choose one and click on save. Once you click on save, just tap on it. It will come here. So if there is message coming in from your live streaming, it will be showing here. Okay, it will be showing here, and you can reply. You can text to chat here. You can hello you too. You can type to reply to anyone that is chatting with you as well. You can make it bold. It's you that you determine how you want the chat to be. You can make the chat bigger the way you want it. Okay, so you can edit it and be changing it up and down as you want it in the chat, but in the chat. Okay, so that is how to work on it. You can decide to rewrite anything you want to rewrite here. Okay, you can add anything. You can make your face beautiful as well while you are live. You can change. You can decide to start changing the beauty. You can change the color. You can change anything that you want even while live. So you can use this anything that you. Okay, so you can work on all this. Okay, so I have my beauty now. I want to I want to work with this. So you can work with any of this. So they have a lot of things that you can use. You can see, you can set a lot of things. Hey, happy new year. There is congratulations. Anything that you choose will just pop up on your phone. You see the beauty of this. Just to exploit this application and make use of this application for yourself. So I just love this application. All you need to do after you finish your live streaming is you just tap on end your live stream. You come up here and click on end. So do you wish to end the live streaming? It's asking you questions. So our answer is end. So it said, do you want to end the YouTube section? If you keep this live session, it will be maintained on YouTube even if you end the stream from the app. So we are going to end it here. If you choose to keep, that means you are still going to be live on your YouTube channel, which is not what we want. We want to end it permanently. So what we do is we just tap on end here and then ending live broadcast, and then we have end it. And another option that we now have again is that you can play back. If you want to play what you have, you can see if you tap on it, you can play back on everything that you have recorded. Or if you choose not to play back, you can save it to your phone, because it will not save to your phone. You can decide to share this link to anyone you want to share it with. You can decide to open a URL. Maybe you want to go and check it directly. So it's all this is just your own option. So this is super great. I will connect my account, which is, I'm going to switch back to my normal account, which is GrowWithGanny. We'll go and check what we are live streaming. So click on content, go to our live, what we just live stream now. We tap on it, go to control panel, you play on YouTube. You can see. So then I am live. This is even if despite that nobody is watching me, because I put it in unlisted. So you can see me live. You can see the live that is. Do it with less than 50 subscribers. If you want to, if it is in YouTube, I will not be able to. Let me assume. I want to go live on my YouTube without using the stream application. So what I will do is I will, under normal circumstances, you click plus here. Once you click plus here, you come down here and choose live. See what it says? It says almost there. Try creating shorts to reach 50 subscribers and unlock live streaming. YouTube will never allow you to live stream with less than 50 subscribers. But with this particular app, you can live stream with less than 50 subscribers. And I have proved it for you now. So what are you waiting for? All you need to just go to your Play Store, go to your App Store, and go and start live streaming like a professional on your page. You don't need to reach 50 subscribers before you can live stream. And if you are getting value on my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the likes button, and turn on your notification bell. In case I drop any video, you will be the first person to be notified. And if you are looking for ways to increase your watch hour and you do not know how to do that, I have a lot of videos on how to live stream in both horizontal and vertical at the same time with your OBS on your computer. Then you can be able to generate more watch hour faster rather than going little by little on your videos alone. So it is an opportunity for us to jump into that and take opportunity of that. So with that, and my name is Ganny, and this is Grow with Ganny. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, and I love you.